for eSkills. I was actually asked to make an instructional video about something that was related to um, eSkills or to IBM in general. And I actually chose to explain you how to build a website with the Wix platforms. You have many other platforms, but I will choose Wix. Um, so the first thing you do, you go to Safari if you have a Mac, or to Google if you have a Windows computer, and you just type in wix.com. As you can see, it already comes out because I'm used to use Wix, and all my websites I build them with Wix as well. So that's why you come to this page. This page is actually my account page. If you don't have an account, you can make an account for free, and there you can see you can upgrade your settings, and you can choose if you want a newsletter uh, and so on. So actually we want to create a new site, so you go here, my sites. You see that there are a lot of sites that I really need to make for school. One of them is the eSkills site, so we are actually gonna create a new site, and you click on that, and then you can see that Wix asks you which kind of site you want to create. You can create, if you're a photographer, you can create a photography site. A designer, you have a lot of like options, but you can click on other as well. But let's suppose we're gonna make a portfolio of ourselves, so you click on that, and then you got two options. You got one option if you want a Wix that helps you create a website for you by answering simple questions, or you can create your website yourself by starting by a template and then edit it yourself. To make it more easy and more clear for you, I will choose the first option, who is where you can answer simple questions. So you click on Start Now. And the first question is, what kind of resume or portfolio do we want to create? Let's say we want to create a simple portfolio, so we click on the first option. Then you get a lot of types of portfolios, like nursing, depending on which job or which thing or program you study. Since there is no student's portfolio, we just click on next. That doesn't matter that you don't really have your option in it. And then you get to the question if you want to like feature your website with a selling option, a booking of appointment option, if you want to get subscribers, or you want to create a blog. Since a portfolio could be a blog as well, where you explain all your things you did in your program, I'm gonna click that option as well, and then you click on next. Then you can choose your own business name. Since I will just pick up a random name like Thomas portfolio and or of IBM, for example. And then you click on next, and then you can choose if you want to locate your business somewhere, but since we don't really have a location, you just click on skip. You can edit that later on as well. And then you get actually this page where you can fill in your personal information. Like, as you see, the contact email is my email, because I'm making this website on my account. You can enter in your address, your phone number, your fax, and you can add all your social networks. You can also add a logo as well, but since I don't really have pictures that I can use right now, I will just skip this part, and then you click on next. Now he's actually creating for you, and as you can see, the fact that you need to answer questions and Wix already kind of knows what to do. This is all about artificial intelligence. So you just click on start, and then you can choose a style. I'm gonna go for the red one because it's a vivid color, but you can change it later on as well if you don't like it. and you click on continue. He's now preparing it for you. He will just prepare the home page, and then you can select and create your other pages for your own. And then you come to this page, and this page is actually the home page, where you can edit. Here you get like a lot of tips on what you can do. Of course, you still need, there are still a lot of things you need to do, but once you're here, you can like edit the home page by clicking here, and then you can put a title, like for example, welcome. And here you can describe your welcome word if you want, and you can replace the picture as well. You can take a picture, you can put a gallery in it. There's actually a series of picture or a video. For that one, I will choose this option, and then you can, or you can link it with a Vimeo video, but actually, if I'm not wrong, you can also replace it by a video from Wix as well, but I don't think that's for this design, it's for the other one. So let's just take an image, for example. I'm gonna replace it by this one, which looks more business related, and then you just go back. Here you can see just like galleries of pictures. If you just do manage, you can manage the picture in another way. For example, if you want bananas to go first, you can just switch them wherever you like, and then you click on done. You're also able to like put in a quote if you want to, and then this is actually the get in touch place of your homepage. You can edit this one as well, and you can also edit the design. For example, if you more like this design where you have like a background picture, and then you can customize it by selecting the colors. There are no other colors, unfortunately, but maybe you can select the image and you click on replace, and then for example you put this image in it and you just click on apply. It's as simply as that. Once you're done, you click on the cross, and to have like a real view on how your website would already look like, you just click on here, preview, and then it's done, and you see how it will look like. Once you're done, you just click on the cross, and you can add a next page. You go to add, you click on page, and then you can actually add a page about yourself. So you click on about, you choose the design you prefer. Let's say we can take the first one. So actually you can put in here a picture of yourself by just clicking on edit and replace, and then organize media. And if you want, now it's a gallery, so actually you need to go back and you just do image, and then you do replace, and then you can be able to upload your own images from your files. I'm not gonna do that right now, but what you also can do is here you can describe yourself. You write a little summary about yourself, about who you are and what your preferences are, and so on. then you click on the cross, and then you can add your next page, for example, with all the assignments you needed to do for your portfolio and so on. So actually it's really easy to build a website with Wix. You just a few clicks away and your website is there. It's already like made for you. Wix is a really easy and useful platform when needing to make sites. So once you're done, you just click on publish and then your site will be published. I'm not going to do this right now because otherwise it will be published on my email, which is not what actually has to be done. But Wix also has this option that auto saves everything from its own. So I hope I made you some more familiar with Wix and how easy it is to build website with Wix. This was the end of my instructional video, and I hope you like it. Thank you and goodbye.